Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hammer travel adapter and Type-C micro USB cable combo. So there's an image of the adapter and the micro USB cable right over here. That's all the information we have over here. It's written output is 5 volt 3.1 ampere and input is 100 to 240 volts, which is pretty standard for most households. There you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. This is the braided cable. This is a Type-C braided cable. There you go. This is a Type-C to Type-A braided cable. This is a nylon braided cable. This will not get entangled or break easily. That's why we use a braided cable in the first place, and makes it very durable. And this also comes with this red shade as well. And now this is the adapter. This is the travel adapter. This is basically a travel adapter. You will notice that there are two USB-A slots over here. So this is the one that it comes with. This is the combo pack after all. This is the one USB-A to Type A to Type-C cable that it comes with. You can also plug in another USB-A cable as well. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Hammer travel adapter and Type-C micro USB cable. Thank you for watching.